when we started along with board of directors, what is our thought is, how can we different from others? So we should have some impact which creates some difference, like that we started. Hi, this is Ramakrishna, the principal of Sri Saraswathi Junior College here. So we started our college actually 4 years back with few students in the pandemic. Later on, the strength going on based on the circumstances, and you know all that online classes are being there that time. So after that online classes, we started weekly 5 days and one no back day we kept only for interacting with the students, involving in various activities like games and sports, elocution, debate, all this one. And also we started creative club in that one. Every day students will present articles which will enhance their talents and develop their leadership qualities. And the second task we are having is about competitive exams. That school integrated program from Extramarks added a value. So they will plan the schedule yearly as well as monthly, as well as weekly, as well as daily, how it will be there, what classes will be there, when the exams will be there. So the exams will be conducted for every 14 days, which will have a time limit of 3 to 4 days. Based on the convenience of student, they can attend that one. And whenever they are getting a free time, they can attend in that option called TOA, they can attend which topic they want, what concept they want, they can attend, and they can develop themselves along with the help of that.
And students and their parents are very much satisfied with the thing which goes on live streaming classes, and hope so this year we'll get good marks with tie-up of Extramark. Thank you.